Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Yhwach deck meets format rules and is ready to go. Once done, shuffle and apply mulligans as required. You draw your 5-card starting hand, then place rear guards and vanguards according to the first turn restrictions. Make your first attacks with clear intent. Attack to build soul or pressure opponent. Explain why each early placement matters. It defines tempo and resource flow, and keep triggers in mind. They alter tempo immediately when revealed during battle. Once you have board presence, you shift to building and managing soul for Yhwach's effects. You push specific units into soul to unlock abilities, and you recall or call units to adapt to threats. Make sure to sequence attacks to maximize counterblasts and trigger windows. Attack with the vanguard to bait guard, then follow with rear guards to punish openings. Explain why this sequencing wins advantage. It forces inefficient guards. Keep paying attention to costs, so you can execute multiple high-impact plays. You aim to finish by aligning Yhwach's soul-based finishers with a board that can push through guards. Time your burst of offense when opponent resources are low. Once done, protect your win condition by holding minimal heals or crucial triggers to survive counterattacks. If things go wrong, diagnose quickly. Check hand, field, and soul totals, then pivot to stalling plays, call defensive units, or trade tempo for setup. Make sure to adapt rather than force plays. Flexibility recovers losing positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.